Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge both buds and the case to above 20% and unlock an iPhone running the latest iOS. Once done, open the lid near the phone to trigger the pairing animation. This reveals authentic pairing behavior. You should also locate the box and serial number now, because you will verify them against Apple's lookup. Make sure to work in good light and a quiet space. Audible cues and small markings matter when you inspect physical details. Next, focus on pairing behavior and fine details. You should see the precise pairing card on the iPhone with model name and firmware. Counterfeit units often skip or show wrong text. Then open the case and inspect the hinge finish, laser-etched serial inside the lid, and speaker mesh alignment. Authentic units have consistent tolerances and crisp engraving. Finally, verify the serial across the box, inside case, and iPhone to ensure they match before moving on to audio and firmware checks. Finish by testing functionality. Play audio, toggle active noise cancellation and transparency modes, and confirm automatic ear detection works reliably. You should also open settings, tap about, or use Apple's check coverage to confirm the serial status and warranty region. If anything seems off, mismatched serials, no pairing animation, or sketchy audio, reset the AirPods, update your iPhone, and try again. If the problem persists, contact Apple support or return the seller. That single step often resolves counterfeit uncertainty.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.